Right. Right. Girl, why is Kane looking out the window pile like a human being? He got the curtains back and everything just looking out the window. Kane looking out the window.